In a move straight out of a political theater, Iran's powerful Quds Force chief, General Esmail Qaani, secretly landed in Baghdad last week without any public announcement, no media coverage, and no red carpet. This wasn't a routine trip, by the way, it was a high stakes secret mission aimed at doing something that Iran is deeply worried about: bringing unity back to its Shiite allies in Iraq. But why now? And why in secret? Well, the answer lies in what's coming next in Iraq. The parliamentary election, a very important moment that could reshape power in the country. Over the past year, infighting among Shiite political factions, many of them backed by Iran, have grown intense. Disagreements, turf wars, and clashing loyalties have made it harder for Tehran to maintain its influence like it did in the past. Now, for Iran, this division is very dangerous, not just for any politics, but for its entire strategy in the region. So, Qaani, who leads the Quds Force, the elite unit of Iran's Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps responsible for operations outside Iran, took matter into their own hands. During his visit, reportedly by Al Ain, he held private talks with top Iraqi political and militant leaders, including former Prime Minister. And you know what his goal is? To patch up the rift, calm tensions down, and rebuild the Shiite bloc's unity before the election season begins. But that's not the only reason for his trip. Iran is also increasingly nervous about the US military presence in Iraq, which haven't gone away despite years of calls for withdrawal. And on the top of that, there is growing concern over possible Iraqi strike, specifically after Iran's recent confrontation with Tel Aviv. Now, all of this creates a volatile environment where an internal weakness in Iraq could actually become an opening for Iran's rivals. It's very important to understand that Iraq plays a very important role in Iran's regional strategy, not just as a neighbor, but as a buffer zone, a political partner, and a link to Tehran's broader networks that stretches from Lebanon to Syria to Yemen. Now, if that link weakens, then Iran's whole influence in the region is at risk. So, this wasn't just a diplomatic meeting, it was a mission to secure Iran's regional foothold, silently, quietly, and without drawing any attention. And while the meeting may be over, the outcome of this recent secret visit could shape what Iraq and the region looks like in the coming months. The question is, will Qaani's quiet diplomacy succeed in uniting the Shiite faction, or will Iraq's internal division prove to deep the heel? For now, the answer remains behind closed doors, but one thing is clear, that Iran is watching, planning, and moving in the shadows.